Under the impetus of the wave of technology, artificial intelligence is reshaping our world at an unprecedented speed. From industrial production experiences to thoughtful social services, from the healthcare frontlines that protect our health to smart and efficient urban management, artificial intelligence is everywhere, guiding the direction of future development.
To cultivate more talents that meet the needs of society, we have carefully developed the DLAI 535 Artificial Intelligence Integrated Innovation Application Platform. This is not just an artificial intelligence device. It's also a key that opens the door to the future. It integrates 5 major application scenarios, from challenging intelligence through puzzle board games to precise recognition use universal identification technology.
Detected 1 gas tank. Detected 1 electric bike.
From ensuring safety through elevator safety monitor and control, to enjoying the convenience of smart home living, then to the efficient operation of intelligent sorting. It showcases the charm of artificial intelligence from all angles. Behind of this is the strong support of 3 core technologies. Visual inspection technology gives machines the ability to see. Natural language processing technology helps machine understand human language. Dolang classmate.
How can I help you?
Turn on the blue LED.
Okay, the blue indicator light is on.
Large model application technology.
Empowering machines with deep learning and intelligent decision-making capabilities.